Hello everyone, welcome back to the next session of maths. Again here Anita ma'am is with you. In the previous session of maths, we have learnt about subtraction of 4-digit numbers without borrowing. Now today we shall start with page number 73 and the objective of today's lesson is to subtract 4-digit numbers with regrouping and to know some interesting facts about subtraction. So let's move further. So subtraction of 4-digit numbers with regrouping. One example I have taken, subtract 1962 from 3751. So first of all, arrange the numbers vertically according to their places, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Now stepwise we will subtract these two numbers. We will start from the ones place. 1 minus 2. But we cannot subtract 2 from 1 because 2 is greater than 1. So what we have to do, we will take 1/10 borrow from here. तो जब आप यहाँ से 1/10 borrow करेंगे तो यहाँ पर 5 की जगह क्या रह जाएगा 4 और जो 1/10 हम यहाँ से borrow करेंगे it will become 1/10 and 1 ones will become 11 ones. Now subtract 2 from 11. So how we will subtract? Count on your fingers after 2 till we get 11. So after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 5 these fingers, 4 these fingers. So 5 and 4, 9. 9 fingers I have used. That means 11 minus 2 is 9. Now step 2 is subtract the tens. So 4 minus 6. Again 6 is greater than 4. So we cannot subtract 6 from 4. So what we have to do now? We will take 100s borrow from hundreds column और जब यहाँ से आप 1 borrow करेंगे तो यहाँ पर क्या रह जाएगा 7 की जगह 6. Now 100s and 4 tens will become 14 tens. Clear? Now we will subtract 6 from 14. Count on your fingers after 6 till we get 14. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 5 these fingers and 3 these fingers. 5 and 3, 8. So 14 minus 6 is 8. Now step 3 is subtract the hundreds. Again 6 minus 9. 9 is greater than 6 so we cannot subtract. Again we have to take borrow 1 from here. तो यहाँ पर 3 की जगह क्या रह जाएगा 2 and 1600s will become 1600s. Now subtract 9 from 16. Count on your fingers after 9 till we get 16. So after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 5 these fingers and 2 these fingers. 5 and 2, 7. So 16 minus 9 is 7. And now the last step is subtract the thousands. So 2 minus 1. Here we can subtract because 2 is greater and 1 is smaller than 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So what we get? We get the answer 1789. So this is a way to subtract 4-digit numbers with regrouping. Now we will discuss some interesting facts about subtraction. So the first one is, in subtraction the change of the numbers alters the answer. Means अगर हम subtraction में numbers का order change कर देते हैं then we will not get the same answer. For example, 768 minus 625. When you will subtract these two numbers, you will get 143. But अगर हम इन numbers का order change करेंगे, 625 पहले लिख दिया, 768 उसके बाद. But here 625 is smaller than 768 and we cannot subtract a bigger number from the smaller one. So the difference of this and this is not same. So we cannot change the order of numbers in subtraction. Addition में हम order change कर सकते हैं but subtraction में we cannot change the order. Now the next fact is, when we subtract a number from itself the answer is always 0. For example 57 minus 57 equal 0 means जब दो same numbers को हम subtract करते हैं then we will get 0. 189 minus 189 is equals to 0 means जब same number subtract होंगे then we will always get 0. Next fact, when you subtract 0 from any number the answer is always the number itself. We already have discussed about these two facts in the first video of this chapter. Means when we will subtract 0 from any number वी विल गेट द सेम नंबर. जब भी हम जीरो किसी नंबर में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं, जीरो मीन्स नथिंग, तो अगर हम किसी नंबर में से कुछ भी सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं करेंगे, वी विल गेट द सेम नंबर. 754 माइनस जीरो इज इक्वल टू 754. 43 माइनस जीरो इज इक्वल्स टू 43. नेक्स्ट इज व्हेन वी सब्ट्रैक्ट वन फ्रॉम एनी नंबर, वी विल गेट द प्रेडिसेसर ऑफ दैट नंबर, और यू कैन से द प्रीवियस नंबर. जब हम वन किसी नंबर में से माइनस करते हैं या सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं, तो हमें उस नंबर का प्रीवियस नंबर मिल जाता है, और यू कैन से प्रेडिसेसर. 321 माइनस वन इज इक्वल टू 320. 6798 minus 1 is equals to 6797. So 320 is the predecessor of 321. Clear? And this is also the predecessor of this number. So these are the interesting facts about subtraction. Now next we will solve a word problem. This is question number 3A part of Let's Try 4. So read the statement first. There are 1568 children in a school. If 1293 are boys, how many are girls? So what is given in the question? That there are total 1568 children in school, and another information is given that there are 1293 boys, and what we need to find out? We need to find out that how many girls are there in the school. So first of all, we will write down the statements properly. The total number of children 1568. Then the next information, number of boys 1293. Now we have to find out number of girls, so write down number of girls. Now we will subtract these two numbers stepwise. First of all, subtract the ones place digit. 8 minus 3. When you will subtract these two numbers, you will get 5. Then subtract the tens. 6 minus 9, but 9 is bigger than 6, so we cannot subtract, so we have to take borrow 1 from here. तो यहाँ से जब हम 1 borrow लेंगे तो यहाँ पर क्या रह जाएगा 4, और जो 100 हम यहाँ से borrow करेंगे, it will become 106 tens will become 16 tens. Now subtract 9 from 16. When you will subtract, you will get 7. Then subtract the hundreds. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is, yes, 2. And in the last 1 minus 1, when we subtract the same number, अभी हमने subtraction facts में पढ़ा है, when we subtract the same numbers, we get 0. Clear? So our answer is 275 girls. This is our answer. There are 275 girls in the school. Now we have to check the answer by part whole method. It is given in your book that you have to check the answer by part whole method. So part whole method is just another way to solve the problems, in which the sum of the parts is equal to whole, and in this question whole is total number of children. Clear? And the parts are number of boys and number of girls. So if we add these two parts, we will get the whole. तो अब हम इन दोनों parts को add करेंगे और अपना आंसर check करेंगे. Clear? So the first part is 1293, and the second part is, that is number of girls, 275. So by adding these two parts, 1293 and 275, what we will get? 5 plus 3 is 8, 9 plus 7 16, 6 here, 1 is carry over, 2 plus 2 4 and 1 5 and 1. So we get 1568. So write down here. So we get the whole by adding these two parts. That means the total number of children 1568, which is same as given in the question. That means our answer is correct, because by adding these two parts we are getting the total number of children, the same which is given in the question. So in this way you have to check your answer by this method. You just have to add the two parts, and if you get the total same as given in the question, that means your answer is correct. So try to solve all the questions. So that's all for today. Now your home assignment is Let's Try 4 in your maths course book and My Turn 4 in your practice book. So keep practicing. We will continue this chapter in the next session. Till then, stay home, stay safe, take care. Bye-bye.